If your Bank of America account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Understand the reason for restriction. Review any communication from Bank of America regarding the restriction. This may include emails or messages in your online banking account. Understanding the reason will help you address it in your appeal. Step 2. Gather necessary documentation. Collect any relevant documents that support your case. This may include identification, transaction records, or any correspondence with Bank of America. Having this information ready will strengthen your appeal. Step 3. Contact customer service. Call Bank of America as customer service or use their online chat feature. Explain your situation clearly and ask for guidance on the appeal process. Make sure to take notes of any instructions provided. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Follow the instructions given by customer service to submit your appeal. This may involve filling out a specific form or sending an email with your documentation attached. Be sure to include all necessary details and be concise. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, wait for a response and follow up if you do not hear back within the specified time frame. Keep a record of all communications for future reference. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction with Bank of America. Good luck!